Clogged drain? Here's the real deal on how to get that water flowing again without calling a plumber. First, find the cleanout plug. It's usually a PVC pipe with a cube-shaped cap near your garage, basement, or outside by the house. Rent a big drain cleaner from your local home improvement store. Attach the right bit to the cable. Start with the U-shaped one, since it's great for breaking up clogs. Put on some gloves and protective eyewear because this stuff can get messy, and wear old clothes you don't mind ruining. Use an adjustable pipe wrench to slowly loosen the cleanout plug. Don't rush it or water will splash everywhere. Feed the cable down the pipe until you hit the clog, then wiggle it side to side to break it apart. When you hear gurgling and see water draining, keep pushing the cable further to clear leftover debris. Pull the cable out slowly, rinsing it with a hose as you go, then flush the drain with water and screw the cleanout plug back tight. One of the biggest mistakes people make when unclogging drains is rushing to open the cleanout plug too fast, which causes a messy water explosion. Fix this by loosening it slowly and standing back. Another common problem is not using the right tool or bit on the drain cleaner, which just wastes time. Always start with a U-shaped bit and check your model's instructions carefully. Lastly, many folks stop once they feel the clog break up, but that leaves debris behind that can cause another clog soon. Make sure to feed more cable down and flush the drain well after clearing. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle. It also helps contractors get real work by connecting them with people who actually need their skills.